He said just roll into it.
Yep.
I mean, for the tune, like what you were saying, like it's really not bad at all. It drives really smooth. Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah, so that harness is adjusted for
Yeah.
have fun, good luck.
I just think we're just gonna go with no harness. We'll be okay.
Oh, I forgot I actually have this side adjusted for my fat ass axe. I ain't kidding, bro. Look at this shit. Look how fucking thick this is on me.
I just work here. Alright, reverse all the way to the right. Do I have to angle out of here?
Sorta, yeah. It's already at enough of an angle. Just go straight,
Left or right?
Let's go left.
Alright.
Try to take it down off my cruising road.
Sure, yeah.
I bet.
I like this shifter.
eBay short shifter, and that knob is actually out of my 350C.
Oh, nice.
Alright, so after this light, next stop sign, take a right.
Okay. What seat is this?
NRG. It's like the cheapest one key on eBay. They're like $200.
Okay. Make a right? Oh no, you said the stop sign.
Yeah, yeah.
What kind of clutch is this?
Fly Miata Happy Meal Stage 1.
Oh, okay. So it's a full face?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So this is a good road, you're saying?
Yeah, yeah.
You said just roll into it.
Yep. The overboost protection's kind of fucky because like it pushes a little more than like the wastegate pressure.
Okay.
I'm just like a little sketched out to push it too far on the overboost, you know?
Yeah, I got you. So how much boost is this making?
So it's supposed, like wastegate pressure is 8 PSI, but I find it pushes up to 10 sometimes, so I have overboost at 10.
Okay. I mean, for the tune, like what you were saying, like it's really not bad at all. It drives really smooth.
Yeah, once you like get it going, it's perfectly fine.
Yeah.
It's just get it going is a little rough.
No, it's really not bad. Drives nice.
Yeah.
Sounds good. I really like the steering wheel here.
That's actually out of a 2002 NB Special Edition. Came with the whole Nardi wood package. This car was supposed to come with the whole Nardi wood package because it's the M edition. But all I got was the fucking e-brake handle.
Oh, damn.
So I was like, fuck it, we got a match. Those steering wheels are usually like $300, but I snagged that one for under 200.
Dude, this is nice. I like it.
Yeah, I was real happy when I got that.
And you said you like pieced together the kit, right? Or it was a whole kit?
It was a whole kit off of someone else's car. I fucking managed to get the entire kit for less than $2.
Wow.
Actually, I think I'd only paid like $1,700 for it.
Okay.
Because like it was posted for 17, he wanted like 150 in shipping, so I talked him down to just 17 shipped.
That's pretty good. Besides the turbo kit, what else do you have done to it?
Obviously all this.
The seats and harnesses.
Shit, harnesses, roll bar, hard top. Snagged this for like $850.
Yeah.
2 years ago. We're sitting on Tyne Street Advanced C's. So they got like the height adjustment and the shock adjustment.
Okay.
Obviously wheels, tires.
Yeah.
Nothing too special down there. It's a pretty basic build so far. I haven't gone like too crazy with anything.
Okay.
But it's a fun car.
No, it definitely is. And it drives nice.
Oh yeah, it goes. I've brought to a few drift events here and there.
Yeah.
With a turbo, yeah.
Yeah, definitely like feels really nice driving it. Like it doesn't feel like, I'm so used to like getting into a Miata and it's like super clunky. Feels like it might just pop apart, like, you know, because they're just always, every Miata I've been in, they're always like really, really low.
Yeah, see, I'm pretty low. I could get lower, but this is like, I think, a very dailyable low.
Yeah, it's not too low. I mean, you're obviously able to take it to drift events.
Yeah. If we take a left up here.
Right here?
Yeah, left right here. It's a straight road, it's kind of bumpy, but then at the end of this road, take another left.
Okay.
I'll loop us onto the other side of Oxford.
Okay. I'm just not trying to push it because I remember what you were saying.
For sure. Once you figure out how to like ease into it without it like fucking kicking, like,
yeah,
it goes.
Yeah, like every other Miata I've ever been in would just be scraping. Like my buddy Ruben had a 97 as well, and it was just solo, just frame bang like the whole time.
Damn.
I mean, it was a fun car, don't get me wrong. It's just sitting on like BC coils, and like I love that thing. But like now we're sitting in a Miata with like a functional ride height, and it makes a good amount of power.
Yeah, I've honestly never been a Miata as like built as this one that's like as well put together.
Yeah. I love it. The whoosh noises, it makes all the right sounds.
Oh yeah. I wish it had some more like stu, but
yeah,
we'll work on that.
I mean, just get a block off plate, take off the blow off valve, and you're good.
See, I'm just glad like you actually know what it's like driving a car with like different fucked up tunes, you know?
Oh, trust me. Samantha, my 86, was like half tuned for like 6 months. It would die out like on you sometimes. Like, oh, I get it. I get it, trust me.
See, that's why like I'm scared of letting like inexperienced people drive this car.
Yeah, trust me. Like when we were, I mean, it wasn't like a fucked up tune. It was just like, so me and my tuner, we were going back and forth, and we were just trying to figure out some things. Like my spark plugs were leaking a little bit. It was just like little things. And so then I fixed all that stuff, and then we were just having problems figuring out the port injection. Because like it would die out sometimes. But I mean, I drove my car like when it was like we were doing partial throttle pulls and stuff like that, so I could do that, and then it would break up because of the leak in my my injectors and whatnot. But then once we got that figured out, I was running pretty smooth for a while. But I've been disassembling the motor at home, and I'm starting to figure out why it blew, because it looked like my rod was bent, and the rod cap, it looked like it was rubbing around in the in the crankcase, like against like the wall or the top or something like that. So that was one thing I noticed too. Oh my God.
Yeah, don't worry about it. It only does that because it's the fucked up fender over there.
It's got some pull to it.
Oh yeah, definitely. And it pops sometimes. But yeah, just keep going straight. This is where we turned right earlier.
Oh, okay.
And then it's gonna be the right after this light.
Okay. And then
it's right in here.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Dude, don't sweat it.
Well, this has been fun. Thank you, David.
Of